very great morning, students. I am here again with the remaining questions of exercise 3B from the chapter name is square and square root. So let's quickly start from the question number 9, that is evaluate 69 multiply 71. We have two numbers with the multiplication, that is 69 multiply 71. Without taking the multiplication, we have to solve 69 multiply 71. To solve 69 multiply 71, we can apply the formula. The formula is a minus b, a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. So we can use, by using the formula, and the formula is a minus b, a plus b equals to a square minus b square for solving the number 69 multiply 71. So one question is arising from this formula, that is what is the value of a and b. कि यहाँ पर जो a and b दो वेरिएबल्स दिए हैं हमारे पास, what is the value of these two given variables in this formula? Yes, your given part is 69 multiply 71. From the 69 and 71, we can get or we can find out the value of a and b. You will focus on the greatest number. Greatest number is 71. How we can expand 71? 71 को हम कैसे expand करते हैं? In previous classes, we also discussed about the expanded form. So 71 can be expanded as 71 plus 1. 70 plus 1. You can write 70 plus 1. So the value of the a from there is 70 and value of the b is equals to 1. That is equals to a plus b. अब आपको पता है a की वैल्यू क्या है 70 and b की वैल्यू क्या है 1 and the formation is a plus b. 70 plus 1, that is equals to 71. Same as like 69. अब हमें पता है, देखो a की वैल्यू हमारी फिक्स हो चुकी है, क्या है 70 and the value of the b is 1. Now the given formation is a minus b. Value of the a is 70 and the fundamental operation is minus and the value of the b is 1. So we can expand 69 multiply 71 in the formation of a minus b. a minus b हमारा क्या था 70 minus 1, that is equals to 69 and a plus b is 70 plus 1. Value of the a is 70 and the value of the b is 1. Now coming on the right hand side, value of the a is 70 and there is a square of the 70 minus Value of the b is 1. You can write 1 square. 70 square means 70 multiplies 70, that is equals to 49. 100. 1 square means 1 multiply 1, that is equals to 1. Now we will subtract 1 from 4900, that is equals to 10 minus 1, 9. There will be 9 and there will be 8. 4899. So the required value of 69 multiplied 71 is 4899. Same as like the second part, that is 94 multiply 106. The greatest value from 91 and 106 is, greatest value हमारी क्या है? 106. So firstly we will expand 106. How we can expand it? 100 plus 6, then value of the A is 100 and value of the B is 6. अब आपको जो A की वैल्यू है वो कितनी मिल चुकी है? 100 and value of the B is 6. Now the another number is 94. With the fundamental operation, minus value of the A is 100 and the value of the B is minus 6. Again, value of the A is 100 and the value of the B is 6. Your left hand side, value of the A is 100 and the value of the B is 6. Value of the A is again 100 and value of the B is 6. Now coming on the right hand side, again value of the A is 100, so we can write at the place of A 100, that is equals to 100 square, minus value of the B is 6 square. 100 square means 100 multiply 100, that is equals to 10,000, minus 6 square means 36. Now we will subtract 36 from the 10,000. It will be equals to 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 3, 6, and there will be 9 and there will be also 9. So the required solution of 94 multiplied 106 is 9960. Now coming on the question number 10, same as like the question number 9, that is evaluate 88 multiply 92. Again we have two numbers 88 and 92 with the fundamental operation, that is multiplication. Without taking multiplication, we have to evaluate 88 multiply 92. हमें बिना मल्टीप्लिकेशन लिए 88 multiply 92 को क्या करना है? सॉल्व करना है. अगेन by using formula A minus B, A plus B, that is equals to A square minus b square. Again, we will find the value of a and b from the given numbers 88 multiply 92. The given number is 88 multiply 92. The greatest number is 92. We will expand 92. You can expand 92 as 90 plus 2. So, the value of the A is 90 and the value of the B will be 2. Now, the another number is 88. Now, we will expand as A minus B. How you can expand 88, 90 minus 2 with the same value of A is 90 and the value of the B is 2. So the given formula is A minus B, A plus B is equals to A square minus B square. Firstly, take your left hand side. Value of the A is 90. So 90 minus 2, 90 plus 2 equals to, your right hand side is, value of the A is 90 and there is square also. And the value of the B is 2. So you can write 2 square. 90 square means 90 multiply 90, that is equals to 8100. Minus 2 square means 2 multiply 2, that is equals to 4. Now we will subtract 4 from 8100. It will be equals to 10 minus 4, 6. There will be 9, 0 and 8. The required number is 8096. So the solution of the given number 88 multiply 92 is 8096. Coming on the question number 11, that is fill in the blanks, which is based on the properties of perfect square number. Yes, your first fill up is the square of an odd number is dash. There is two words, that is square of an odd number. Suppose you have an odd number. आपके पास कोई odd number है. You can consider as 3. And when you will take the square of 3, as you know that the value of the square is 2, you can expand 3 square as 3 multiply 3, that is equals to 9. 9 is again an odd number. So, the square of an odd number is always be an odd number. तो वो हमेशा क्या आएगा, हमारा आंसर एक odd number ही होगा. Your second part is the square of an even number. Now, we will take an even number. The even number is 2. The square of an even number. When we will take its square. that is equals to 4. 4 is again an even number. 4 दोबारा से हमें कैसा नंबर मिल गया? इवन नंबर ही मिल गया. Then square of an even number is always be an even number. Your next part is the square of proper fraction is dash than the given fraction. What do you mean by the proper fraction? In previous classes, we have discussed about the proper fraction. A fraction whose denominator is greater than by numerator. Proper fraction means a fraction whose denominator is greater than numerator. कोई भी एक ऐसी फ्रैक्शन जिसका डिनोमिनेटर हमेशा क्या होगा? ग्रेटर होगा. किससे? न्यूमिनेटर से. We can call the fraction is a proper fraction. Let's take an example. 2 by 3. Denominator is 3 and the numerator is 2. Denominator is greater than numerator, so 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. Your fill-up is square of a proper fraction. Now you will take 8 square. 2 square means 4 and the 3 square means 9. According to the property of the proper fraction, according to the property of the perfect square, the square of a proper fraction, आपके पास proper fraction का square क्या आया है? 4 by 9. And the given fraction is 2 by 3. The square of proper fraction is dash than the given fraction. Taking cross multiplication. 4 3 the 12 and 9 to the 18. The square of the proper fraction is 4 by 9 and the given fraction is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is greater than that of the 4 by 9. आपको दिख रहा है कि 2 by 3 greater है किससे? 4 by 9 से. So according to the statement, the square of a proper fraction is less than the given fraction. आपको दिख रहा है कि जो स्क्वायर आया है किसी भी प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का, वो क्या आया है हमारा? लेस देन द गिवन फ्रैक्शन. एंड ये लास्ट फिलअप इज n square. N square, the sum of first dash natural numbers. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the question like this. By applying the property of the perfect square. According to the property of the perfect square, for every natural number natural number and sum of odd natural number and odd natural number is equals to n square. आपको पता था कि अगर हमारे पास जितने भी ऑड नंबर्स का क्या दिया होता है, सम दिया होता है, वो किसके इक्वल आता था? n स्क्वायर के. देन अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n odd natural numbers is equals to n square. There is all odd natural numbers with their sum that is equals to n square, and the value of the n is how many odd numbers are there? 1 2 3 4. कितने odd numbers हैं यहाँ पर? 4. So value of the n is 4 and the result is 4 square, that is equals to 60. I hope students you have understood these 3 questions, and today you have to complete your exercise 3B with the help of these 3 questions. Thank you and have a nice day.